Hello and welcome to our i-mop demonstration video. This piece of machinery here is called an i-mop, and we will show you how to use this, how to fill it up, and how to dispose of the dirty water. So as you can see here, we have the battery. The i-mop is also another cordless machine, very similar to the scrubber dryer. There's no wires and no cords. This is the battery. Take it off and we slot it back on. There's two batteries for the i-mop and they both come off exactly the same way and they are charged separately. The bottom of the machine, we have a squeegee seal just along here. That is what allows the water to be vacuumed up. I have two circular scrubbing brushes. The scrubbing brushes scrub the floor, the squeegee makes sure that the water is extracted and the floors are left dry and clean. The i-mop has two water tanks. Clean water tank, which is identified by the blue cap. In order for us to be able to fill this up, you twist the nozzle, pull out the hose. The hose can go underneath a tap for easy accessibility and filling. You then put the cap back on, and that is the clean tank. On the other side, we have the dirty tank. Exactly the same thing. Unscrew the top, and we can remove wastewater just by emptying. When the i-mop is folded out, this is how it will stand upright. In order to put it back into a safe position, we lift that, and it will be able to stand by itself without anyone having to touch it or balance it and lean it against anything. So what we'll now do is show you how to use the i-mop and the functions on the top of it. So lift out, unclip, and if we turn the nozzle to the right, this function allows the scrubbing brushes to scrub and for the vacuum to extract any debris that may be on the floor. One more turn to the right allows water to be jetted out of the hoses and for the scrubbing brush to also scrub the floor and for the vacuum to remove any water or any debris. Back to the middle is off. Now, if we want to use just the brushes, one turn to the left. And if we want to use brushes and water without any vacuuming, another turn to the left. You can also see the battery health, which is here on the left and here on the right. We'll now demonstrate how to use the i-mop. So we have it set on the brush and the water with the vacuum setting. You can see particles of water that are being emitted from the jets. And you can also see the scrubbing brushes rotating with the squeegee, ensuring that all water is collected and removed efficiently. The slower we use the machine, the more efficient the machine is at cleaning. So I do advise slow and steady in order to get the best cleaning results. We have now got the i-mop set to vacuum only, so there'll be no water being sprayed out of the machine. And this is a very good function and setting because it allows us to take up all of the water or any excess moisture that may be left over from the scrubbing of the i-mop. This machine is to be used on hard floors only and is not to be used on any carpeted areas. It's very important that when using the i-mop, we walk forward in a slow, steady motion and we do not drag the machine backwards, as this will go against the direction that the squeegee and the brushes are intended to work. This now concludes our demo video on how to use the i-mop. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or queries, please contact myself, Carl, or Elvira. Thank you again, and thanks for watching.